Greetings folks, it's Sarah. Today I have featured the JA Roby Gemini cook stove. I am going to give you guys some temperature readings of the stove for a low burn, a medium burn, and a hot burn. So this stove has been burning with the kindling for 15 minutes now on our first burn. You can see that there is still some flame burning. This was not a full box of kindling, as you could see in the previous image. I'm gonna give you guys some temperature readings. The side panels are still kind of cold, but I can feel some heat coming off the front. So front glass temperature reading 267. Inside the oven glass, I'm getting a reading of 85 degrees. Let's see if I open it up. Side baking oven, 163. Right side, 165. Bottom of the baking oven, 147. Back of the baking oven is sitting at 85 degrees. Cooktop up here is sitting at 82 degrees. My oven damper control is closed. I don't think I mentioned that at the start of my video, so I want to say that I'm keeping this closed because I'm going to be building some heat in this oven to warm it up kind of slowly and cure it along with my initial first burn here. Side panels of the stoves. Top side panel, 76 degrees. Bottoms, or I should say mid side panel where the firebox is, also 74 degrees, actually a little cooler. 75 degrees. So got a little bit of heat coming out, 15-minute burn temperatures. Here we go. I'm gonna let it burn out and then I will start loading into my medium burn. So my medium fire has been burning for quite a while. I would say since I reloaded, it's been burning about 30-35 minutes. So my stove has been burning about 45-50 minutes, just under an hour in total. And I'm gonna give you guys some temperature readings. Front glass is reading at 613 degrees. Oven glass is reading at 202. Okay, so this gets hot on the oven handle, so you do want to make sure you've got something to open that up. Left hand side of the oven is reading 384. And the right hand side is reading 383. Bottom of the oven, 382. Back of the oven, 201. Cooktop is sitting at 209 degrees over here on the right hand side when facing the front, and about 185 located on the left hand side. Front's about 160. So looks like these kind of sides areas tend to be a little bit hotter. Top side panel, 144. 149 down at the firebox. 142. The top, and yeah, 143 located at the side of the firebox. So these are going to be our medium temperature readings. I'm gonna let this burn down just a few more minutes and then I'm gonna go ahead and reload into my hot burn. Okay, so I am now about 2 hours into this first burn, maybe more like 2.5. I still have quite a bit of coals left here, logs that will continue to burn, I would say at least another hour. But I'm gonna give you guys some temperature readings into this burn now. Front glass is sitting at 648 degrees. Oven glass is sitting at 258. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Side of the oven, whoa, 434 on the left-hand side, right-hand side, left-hand side. Right-hand side, 432. Back, 292. Bottom, 478. The flue pipe is sitting at 456. Top of the stove, 199 in the very front, 226 on the right-hand side. Top side panel, 176, down by the firebox, 201. Top oven panel, 171. And we are sitting at 192, 195 down here on the firebox side. So this is going to be our updated temperature readings for our first burn, about 2 hours into this burn process. I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful. I do my best to kind of show you guys every area of the stove before you make a purchase. If you guys have additional videos that you would like me to cover, please drop them in the comments. As always, if you like my videos, please give me that thumbs up. It helps me out so much when you guys like my videos. Click that subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.